We'll guide you through how to swipe and go back on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you wanted to go and swipe and go back. This is a really convenient way of navigating your iPhone. You may have come from an Android or a Samsung, and there's actually a button at the bottom which you may go remember, and with that button you could go back to the previous page or app. It's a bit different on an iPhone, but you can still go and do it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, as it makes it quick and convenient to get back to where you came from. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything, as there are different ways you can go about this. So keep watching and you're going to go and learn what you need to know about swiping and going back. So first of all, if you want to go back to the previous app you were on, whether that was the home screen or you're currently in an app and you want to get back to the last, you actually need to come to the bottom of your phone and you need to go and place your finger below the bottom of apps and swipe like so. So if you're in an app, you'll go and see the bar appears and you can keep doing that and get back to different apps, as you can see. You can actually go forward again as well if you want to. Now that's the first way you can go and do it, and that is just for apps. If you're within an app, what you can actually do is you can go and swipe back as well, but you don't do it at the bottom. If you do it at the bottom, it will change app. So if you want to go and swipe back to a previous page you were on, what you need to do is place your finger to the side here and then drag, as you can see. And you can then go back again as well, forward again, I should say. So that's how you can go and swipe and go back within apps. If you're just on an app page here, all you need to do is go and swipe across like so. And that is how it can be done. Just your settings as well. Let's say I was in here. What I could then do is just go and place my finger and swipe back. So it's really quick and convenient to go and navigate through your iPhone. As you can at the bottom, I can swipe back as well. And then to get out of the app, you just swipe up. So that's it. I hope you found this useful and you now know some more gestures for your iPhone and you can now navigate through it a lot quicker. You'll pick these up quickly and it'll make using your iPhone a lot easier and more natural over time.